Welcome to Gdańsk, Baltic Sea. Oh, it's very cold. It's cold.
But only like oh,
Yes.
like 2-3 minutes. This water is normal.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Hello. It's
but
cold.
still cool.
Water is
Yeah.
cold. But
Oh my God! It's like from fridge. Water like from the freezer. Woo. Carol. Oh.
yeah,
You scared?
yeah.
Ooh.
Nikai, come.
It's very cold actually.
But it's nice.
Ah, it's cold, but I like.
Like 1 minute you will feel cold, later like normal.
Oh. Don't swim, Carol, okay?
I don't know.
Because we don't have any clothes.
Hey, bro.
Hey!
Hey.
Oh! This is the life! This is the life I found and I like this weather!
Let's go. Come back.
I like this weather. We ordered this weather for 2 months.
I ordered this weather 2 months ago. And I feel so very
Wow,
fresh.
very nice.
And
Wow.
Right.
I don't have
Beautiful
words to
couple.
say something about how I feel now.
Yes. How do you feel now?
I feel very good.
And how about you?
Good. I feel very good, very warm, and I really like.
Are you sure you
now
are
I
not
can
lying?
feel like
Because
I'm,
it's
I'm
cold.
rest. I'm resting. I
Yes.
have resting time now.
Super. Oh, it's cool then.
It's my time to touch the sea water
Yeah.
and also the
And enjoy, guys.
sand.
For you, it's very cool. So say something more because this video.
Yes. I cannot say anything.
I don't have more subjects.
Say something more.
Yes,
I don't have more subjects.
Okay then, see you and
See
enjoy,
you.
guys.
See you
and
next
enjoy.
time.
Okay, bye.
And after that, put there. So? After that, put there. What did you eat? What is
A
that?
cotton candy.
Cotton candy? Oh wow.
You know, color
Mabas
only
niya.
white, yes, Nikay?
Color is not
Color
only
only
white.
white, yeah?
Sometimes it's another.
Yeah, pink.
I have pink.
No,
I
he have
can-
only white,
it's
but
like-
sometimes
it's
it's
like
like a
I'm
taste
eating-
A ja
different.
to lubię, ja lubię.
Nothing.
Ja kupuję w
Yeah,
tym.
I love this. I love this.
Slowly.
Plastikowy
Come on, we
kubka.
eat. 1,
I
2,
love
3, go.
This is like clown.
Yeah, eat.
Dobre, dobre?
Dobra, eat, bro.
I like them. Ja bater.
Kaya mo parang gapas.
Dobra, balik dia.
No.
Like child. Very
Little
sweet.
bit, but
It's very hot this.
It's nice. Very sweet, you know?
Very sweet.
Yes, because sugar.
Diyan. Oo.
It's so yummy.
Happy Flag Day, Poland! And we are here now in Molo, Sopot.
Where we go to this beach? There, I think. Yeah, left side. Yeah.
That straight so.
Aha, no. No, no to...
Baby doll.
You want to ride here, Dayan? You want to ride here?
No na plażę. Aha, no to dobra, no to tu się wysikacie gdzieś.
Hey, bro!
How are you? I feel very good. We are here. Opposite is Grand Hotel. This is very old hotel in Sopot. And opposite of this hotel we have Baltic Sea and main entry to main beach in Sopot.
This is our second time to came here, so it's like it's not too much all new for us. Right, bro?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Dinner time.
Take picture.
No.
Matsunego, guys.
Hey, let's go.
Hey, bro.
Make
Hey, Carol. Oh.